I've been loving you a long time. Down all the years, down all the days. And I cried for all your troubles. Smiled at your funny little ways. We watched our friends grow up together, and we saw them as they fell. Some of them fell into heaven, and some of them fell into hell. I took shelter from a shower, and I stepped into your arms. On a rainy night in Soho, the wind was whistling all its charms. Well, I told you all my sorrows, and you told me all your joy. Whatever happened to her old songs, little girls and boys, little girls and boys, little girls and boys. Sometimes I wake up in the morning, the ginger lady by my bed, covered in the crocus islands, you're whispering in my head. I'm not singing for the future, I'm not dreaming of the past. I never think about the first time, never think about the last. Now the song is nearly over, we may never find out what it means, since there's a light I see before me, and you're the measure of my dreams, the measure of my dreams, the measure of my dreams.